It really is all about Truly Free. Truly Free cleaning products. You guys are in for a great show today. Hi there, I'm Angela Brown. This is Ask a House Cleaner, and we're also streaming live today to our Airbnb show, Turnover Cleaning Tips. So I'm super excited about our guest today, Maria Mooney, and she is the marketing director over at Truly Free Products. It's a company that started back in 2008, right about the time that all of us became really aware that there was a better way to clean. So I'm really excited about the Truly Free cleaning products that we're going to learn about today. So please help me welcome Maria Mooney.
Hi, everyone. Thanks for having me today, Angela.
So I wanted to ask, how did you get involved with Truly Free? Because this is a really interesting journey for
Yeah,
you, like now to be the marketing director of this company.
I came actually from a financial marketing background, so completely different industry. I was like a former executive, but the way I came into this company, truly to me, it's really unique because I started my non toxic journey just over 5 years ago. And I discovered this company much like a lot of our customers do. My son, he's 9 years old now, but at the time he was 4. He was dealing with like itchy skin and rashes. And I was dealing with when you overwash your hands, just like the amount of the irritation and just trying to understand like what is happening, right? And it really led me to look into the products that are out there. And I started doing a lot of research and history. And at the time, I came across the company was called My Greenfields. So I found it. I started using the products myself. And I have to say, there's a lot of products out there, right? There's a lot of different eco companies. A lot of them have come onto the market recently. But what really struck me as like the wow factor when I got my first box was just how much this company was very mission driven. And the support that they give and that we give now that I'm on the team is just amazing. I got this little postcard and it was the Dryer Angel project that we do. And this is actually something that replaces toxic dryer sheets. And this is hand sewn by women in Jamaica that were rescued from sex slavery and they were empowered to have sustainable jobs. So I get this postcard with the story and I thought, my goodness, like I've never seen anything like this, first of all, but to not only replace toxic dryer sheets, but actually to give back and fund villages and empower women and give jobs. I mean, you can buy your products anywhere and you can find eco companies, but when you look at really the core and the mission of a company and what they're doing, Truly Free was, so much more than that. So I think that really spoke to me when I saw that. And I definitely wanted to be a part of that. And so I applied and I started working with our customers. I worked my way up. And it was beneficial for me because I really learned what our customers wanted, what they were interested in seeing, what problems and solutions that they needed help with. And we just built the team and the company has grown immensely. And I've been fortunate enough to really be a part of it.
Well, you
Yeah.
have me really curious now. What's the little thing you just held up? What is that and
Yeah.
how does it work?
So this is a replacement for synthetic toxic dryer sheets. So
Okay.
everyone loves like a fresh scent in their laundry, right? Some people use dryer sheets, some people don't. They just like to use like a fabric softener. So this is the cover. So this is refillable. You buy the cover one time and then you get the refills. And these refills are dehydrated little corn cobs that are scented in essential oils. They last maybe 30 dry cycles or 30 days. And you just keep it in your dryer and you can get it on subscription, just like the rest of our products. And they get delivered right to your door. And you just refill them and you just leave it in your washer. You can use these like a car freshener. You can hang them. You can put them like in a gym bag. You can put them in a locker room. I use them like in the mud room. They smell so great and they're natural.
I'm
You
thinking
know.
for the Airbnb people that are on our show today. I'm thinking that
Mm-hmm.
that would be a great solution. I know that when
Yeah.
there are a turnover between guests, oftentimes they'll take
Mm-hmm.
something like that and they'll put that like right in or near the bed. And then right before the guests come, then they'll remove it. And then when the guests come, everything smells so nice and fresh and
Mm-hmm.
whatever, but there's not a dryer sheet hiding in the bed.
Yeah. Yeah. Exactly. That would be perfect for that. Absolutely.
I love that. So you said leave that in your washer. I think you meant leave it in the dryer. Do you leave it in the dryer or do you just leave it in the dryer room?
You can leave it right in your dryer.
And it's safe to go through a load of laundry and everything.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Interesting. And how often does that need to be replaced?
Every 30 days or 30 dry cycles. So
Okay.
depending on which one you do, but yeah, it smells amazing.
I'm thinking that would be
Yeah.
a great Christmas gift. That's awesome.
Mm-hmm.
I want to say thank you so much for coming on the show. This was really awesome. I just really appreciate it. And I want to
Thank
say
you.
thank those of you guys that jumped in and the newbies that are joining us for the first time today. This was just amazing.
Awesome. Thank you so much for having me. We really appreciate it.
Is there anything you want to leave with us before we close today?
Thank you everyone for the time and really taking the time to learn about this, and anything we can do to help, we're always here to serve you. So thank you again. Really appreciate it.
Thank you so much, and thank you, Truly Free.